If the past few years haven't convinced people of the reasons they should be prepared yet, I do not know what will. From global events to unexpected chaos, it's clear that life is getting scarier. And between potential infrastructure attacks and other disasters, being prepared at all times is more important than ever. And when you're out on the road, the stakes are just as high. Imagine this. Your car breaks down in the middle of nowhere. Or chaos erupts back home while you're away. That's why it's crucial to always be ready for the unexpected, especially when you're behind the wheel and away from your main supply of preps. So today, we're going to take a look into exactly what emergency items you should have in your car at all times. And these items are in alphabetical order, not in order of importance. Backpack. A sturdy backpack is essential for storing all your emergency gear. It ensures you can evacuate your vehicle with everything you need if the situation demands it. You should always have a get-home or survival backpack in your car, even if you're just driving to the grocery store. A bandana. Bandana is a versatile item. It can serve multiple purposes in emergency situations, like protecting your face from dust, smoke, or debris. It can also be used as a makeshift bandage, sling, or tourniquet in case of injuries. A blanket. Whether it's wool or reflective, blankets keep you warm in cold weather emergencies. They're compact and versatile, fitting snugly into your backpack. Additionally, if there is an accident or someone is in shock, a blanket can help a person feel safer and more secure, calming them down. Cash. Having cash on hand is crucial for unforeseen circumstances where electronic payment isn't an option. Keep it in small denominations in a Ziploc bag for easy access and protection from the elements. You could even tape it to the underside of your seat for security. Cat litter. Of course, in winter, cat litter can be used to improve traction on icy roads, making it easier to navigate treacherous conditions. But for those not dealing with winter weather, litter is still a good item to keep in the car because it is very absorbent and it can soak up spills from any liquid. Clothes. Spare clothing, including sturdy shoes, pants, a shirt, jacket, socks, and gloves, ensures you're prepared for unexpected weather changes or emergencies that require you leaving your vehicle. Keep the sturdy shoes or boots next to your backpack so you have more room to store other items, as you'll most likely be putting on the boots in an emergency. An emergency radio. An emergency radio with solar-powered charging capabilities can provide access to important weather updates, emergency alerts, and communication channels when other forms of communication are unavailable. And if possible, keep a charging adapter for the radio in the car as well, so you can power it up from your car battery or from a power bank. Fire starting devices. Matches, a magnesium flint striker, and a lighter are essential for starting fires quickly, providing warmth, cooking food, and signaling for help in emergencies. Carry more than one option. They are all small, so they don't take up a lot of room, and you don't know how long you'll be on the road. First aid kit. A comprehensive first aid kit is vital for treating injuries sustained during emergencies, ensuring you can provide immediate medical assistance until help arrives. A flag. A brightly colored flag can be tied to your vehicle during snowstorms, increasing visibility to passing vehicles and improving your chances of being rescued. Additionally, the flag can be cut into strips and tied to trees to create a visible trail, helping others track your movements and locate you in a remote or unfamiliar terrain. Flares. Flares are effective signaling devices, visible from long distances, and they can attract attention and help rescuers locate you if your vehicle becomes stranded. And flares, in addition to signaling for help, can also be used to start a fire in an emergency situation. Flashlight. A reliable flashlight with spare batteries is essential for illuminating your surroundings during nighttime emergencies, inspecting your vehicle, or signaling for help. And if you carry a large tactical flashlight, you also have a good self-defense tool. Food. Non-perishable food items like protein bars or MREs provide essential sustenance during emergencies, ensuring you have the energy to endure until help arrives. Keep 72 hours worth of these in your vehicle's backpack. GPS device. A GPS device with spare batteries helps you navigate accurately, whether driving or bugging out on foot, ensuring you stay on course to safety. A gun. While optional, a firearm can provide protection in dangerous situations, but it must be stored securely to prevent theft and accessed responsibly within legal boundaries. And be sure to check your state's laws regarding carrying a firearm in your vehicle. A knife. Both fixed and folding knives are versatile tools for various tasks, from self-defense to shelter building, making them indispensable in emergencies. Jumper cables. Jumper cables are also essential for restarting a dead battery, a common issue that can occur during emergencies or breakdowns. While not the ideal tool for it, jumper cables could also be used in certain circumstances for makeshift cordage or rope. They don't hold a lot of weight, though. Multi-tool. A multi-tool like a Swiss Army knife or a Leatherman can come in handy for various tasks, including cutting, opening cans, or repairing minor mechanical issues with your vehicle. Paracord. Paracord is a versatile tool for various survival tasks, including shelter building, rappelling, and crafting makeshift tools, making it invaluable in emergencies. Personal hygiene kit. Maintaining personal hygiene is crucial for overall health and well-being during emergencies, reducing the risk of illness and infection. Hand sanitizer, wet wipes, and a small packet of tissues are easily carried. A portable power bank. A portable power bank can be a lifesaver for charging your phone or other electronic devices during emergencies, especially if you're stranded and you need to call for help. Prescription medications. Having some supply of prescription medications ensures you can manage chronic conditions and maintain your health even during prolonged emergencies. Shovel. A shovel is indispensable for tasks like digging trenches, latrines, or snow removal, making it a versatile tool for emergency situations. Of course, water. Adequate water supply is essential for hydration and survival during emergencies, with metal canteens offering durability and filtration devices ensuring safe drinking water. Keep a case of bottled water in your car at all times if you have room. Rotate the water out every few months by replacing it with a new case. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to the must-have emergency items for your car. From blankets to bandanas, jumper cables to multi-tools, these essentials can be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major crisis on the road in an emergency or SHTF situation. And remember, being prepared isn't just about having stuff, it's about having the knowledge and readiness to handle whatever comes your way. All right, are there any additions you'd make to this survival car kit? As always, you know I love hearing from you, so please let me know in the comments.